Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
I will wait for 1 more minute. How long they will take? Even they are attending in the online class only, no? Now the time is 2:10. The remaining students are not. What? Regularly they are coming by late, or for this time only they are taken the time? Anyone answer me?
Ma'am, it is very rare that all 71 attend the class.
Oh, maximum how many members are attending the class?
Ma'am, 60,
60 to
Ma'am,
65.
68.
62.
to 65 in that range.
Okay, okay. Okay, already the time is 2:10. Shall I start the class? Around 60 students are login,
Karo.
I think.
Yes, ma'am. Please start.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So first of all, I want to give you an introduction about me because you are newly to me, right? Myself, my name is Harini. I'm a research scholar and also a co-faculty for you. Just I'm trying to presenting my screen.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, very good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
You no need to say everyone good afternoon. I just it's a formality, no problem. I think can everyone able to hear my voice and also my screen is visible to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay. I think ma'am shared in the Google Classroom about the experiment. Today's experiment is and third experiment, transient analysis of series RL and RC circuit. I think ma'am taken in the class, right? Okay, let's anyway, I'm going to explain about this. First of all, from the topic, you can easily understand what we are going to do in the today's lab. Everyone know about the connections, that is in series and parallel connection. Today we are going to analyze the analyze of series RL and RC circuit, which means first of all you are going to give the connection of series connection as series connection of R and L, and one more circuit is an R and C. This is a different circuit and this one is a second circuit. Series RL circuit is a first circuit and second circuit is series RC. In this circuit, you are going to analyze about the transient. I think you know about the transient. Transient is nothing but some of the response will occur in R and L. In the circuit is R and C. Transient response will be occur in R and L and also the R and C will be occur within a minute once you are changing in the source side or in the switches. Either you are some distraction or you are including the source or disconnected from the source, means that is an steady sudden changes, right? Once if you are in the simple circuit R and L you are connected, in that circuit you are going to include the source suddenly, means it will happen sudden some changes in the value of output value of L, and also in the circuit of C will be changes. We are going to analyze this thing in this circuit. This is a circuit diagram for today's lab. This is an RL circuit diagram. This is an RC circuit diagram. In this record, some mistake is that this is not RL. This is an RC. You are going to connect R and L in the series connection, and then you are going to put one switches, and also this is an DC source. Either you can analyze for the AC source also you can analyze, but in this experiment ma'am included only DC sources. That's why I'm going to explain the DC with the help of DC sources. I'm going to explain this. What are the sudden changes will happen once the switches is closed. Okay, can you able to understand what I am telling? Shall I go ahead
Yeah,
with the yeah, okay. And then one more thing is an important thing, that is a time constant. Time constant is nothing but tau. Your name it as a tau. For the RC circuit, the formula for time constant is RC. Please note down. This will be helpful to calculate for the tabulation. So please note down. In the RC circuit, time constant for the RC circuit is tau. The name it is tau. The formula for tau is R into C. That is nothing but you are going to multiply the resistance value with the inductance value, then you are getting the time constant. What is mean by time constant? Time constant is nothing but in this circuit you can see the inductor as an energy storage device. Already you are know what is meant by inductor, what is mean by resistance, here what is mean by capacity, and also what is mean by resistance, right? Inductor is an energy storage device. It time constant is nothing but how much of time it taken to charge the inductance. That is nothing but the time constant. That can be found by using the formula R into C. Coming to the RC circuit, that is on second circuit, B circuit. Please change it in your manual, RL into RC. Okay. By mistake, he noted as an RL circuit in the B. This is an RC circuit, right? Capacitor is also act as an energy storage device. Its time taken for formula for time taken in the RC circuit is, sorry, for this is an L by R formula. L by R, here is an R into C. This is a time taken formula for R into C circuit. In this, can anyone answer me, in the inductance, what kind of parameter will be stored as an energy? Either current or
Magnetic field.
yeah. But in the capacitor?
Charge.
Yeah. Positive and negative polarities. That is nothing but as an electric field. Your name it as an electric field. So for finding the formula for RL circuit, time constant is L by R. For RC circuit is R into C. This is a thing we are going to analyze in our today's lab. The model graph will be like this. This is a 0 time. Once it close the switch, it's taken this much of time to reach the fully charged value, right? That is a maximum voltage. This much of time is taken to reach the maximum voltage. Once it reaches the maximum voltage, after that it will continue the steady state. Okay, this is the thing you are going to do in the today's lab section. And then any one of you taken this observation value, this R value and L value. Once I am asking while doing in the ECAR, please answer me what is the value of L and R. Now you know how to do this thing, right? I'm going to design first. I'm going to design the RL circuit. From this, what are the parameters I need from the circuit? You can tell me. For RL circuit,
Ma'am, inductor, capacitor, wire.
and then two more components.
Battery.
That is an-
Battery.
Resistor also required. Battery.
yeah, very good. First one we need is an resistance R, and another one is an inductance, and I need as an switch. I taken this switch, that is a single pole single throw switch. I taken, and then one more component is source, that is a 2-terminal voltage source DC. And then one more thing I need is wire. I have to connect all those components. Kindly do it in your laptop. I will ask at the end of the section, I will ask randomly any one of the person. Please do it in your laptop. That's it. This is a connection of our RL circuit. Once the line, once I open the
Repeat
switch,
again. Repeat again.
how to connect, I have to repeat out. Okay. Yeah, we need for this circuit, we need 4 component. One is an inductor, second one is an resistance, and third one is an switch, that is an normal SPST switch, and DC voltage. I taken all this component from this draw. Add resistance is your resistance value. I taken from here, or unless you can use a small letter R in your keypad. And for inductance, I have to taken from passive components, add inductance, or you can use select the key in your keyboard L, and you can drag your mouse pointer, it will come, capital letter L, it will come. Okay, likewise you have to include all the 4 component. I taken this switch as add switch. Passive, from the passive component I'm taken the switch, that is this one, add switch, or you can use the letter S, small letter S. And then one more component I need is source, that is an input source. So I taken from the input and source. From that you can choose add voltage source 2-terminal, or unless you can use small letter V. And then one more thing I need is wire to connect all this component. I'm going to connect. I connected. Once you connect this, you can close the switch. After the circuit is perfect, means the yellow light will be like an yellow light, it will be glowing like this. This is a perfect circuit. Now you can see the output by using the scope. For the inductor circuit, I am going to take the output in between this L. Across the L, I am going to take. So I am going to right click, view the scope. You can see. So once I open the switch means none of the thing will be happen in this circuit. So output will be 0. Once I connect this switch, this is a sudden changes. You can see the green line. You can see the sudden changes due to the switches, sudden change in the switch. So once I open, it will remains to 0. Once I close, it's taken within a microseconds or milliseconds. It's taken changes in the L value. That's why I told you that is a transient. You analyze that transient value in the inductance. That is an RC RL circuit. Okay. And everyone understand about the first circuit diagram? How I taken? Anyone of you answer me, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So everyone understand, right? So I give you now the time is what is the correct time now in the Google Classroom? Just a minute. Now the time is 2:22. I give you 10 minutes time, and I ask any one of you randomly. I will ask the register number like 21 or some other person. You have to show me your screen. After seeing some of the person, we will start the next circuit diagram. Okay, I give you the time. You taken the time. If you have any doubt, please ask me. I clear you. Please do it in your laptop. It's a simple circuit, no? Can anyone answer me who is completed? Those who completed, please answer me. Aparna, The register number is 107. Aparna?
Yes, ma'am, 2 minutes. I'm just,
Yeah.
there's some problem with my laptop, so I'm opening it right now.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I show?
Yeah. I will stop my sharing, then only you can. I think I stopped my sharing. Now you can show me your screen. Yeah, very good. Shall we try it for our tabulation value? I tell you the value. You can change it in your circuit and show me the result. I'm telling the values of voltages. We just change the voltage value as 3 volt. In the DC source, no? Change that value as an 3. And then R value is 3. L value is 1. Keep it as it. Yeah. Oh, very good. You just open the switch. Yeah. Once he opened the switch, the value of the output value is will becomes to 0. Again, you close it, ma. When he closed the switch, it's suddenly happens some changes in the output value. That is a transient response. So you stop sharing. Very good. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. I think everyone understand about the R and L circuit. Let's see about the. Has everyone completed in your laptop the same experiment which I done?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
The next one is an RC circuit. Just I removing this L. I change which component I need. That is an capacitor I need. This is an output for the capacitor. That is an RC circuit. That's it. You just try it for your value given in the tabulation, ma'am, which given. That is an for RL circuit. She given the constant value of R is 3. She only changed 1 and 2 of L's value because you are going to analyze in the RL circuit as an L component. In this capacitance, she fixed as a R value was also fixed as a constant value, and the only changes in the capacitance because you are going to analyze in the capacitor side, right? Has everyone understand what I did, or else I have to take one more time? Shall we try it for the tabulation value? Can anyone tell me the value of voltage in the tabulation? 3 volt, I think so. Resistance value was 3.
3.
For a capacitance?
0.5.
0.5. This is a thing happen in the circuit. In the practical section, I think everyone understand, right? If anyone having any doubt, please ask me, or else kindly do it in your laptop. Once you are completed, we move to the Viva questions. From this in this tabulation you are going to full by using the formula for calculated time constant. You are going to calculate value by using these two things. First, for first tabulation, for L value is 1 and R value is 3, so you are going to divide 1 divided by 3, that is an 0.33, right? 1 divided by 3 is nothing but 0.333, and for second 2 divided by 3 is 0.66. From the waveform, the same value will become, but here it's running too fast. If suppose we are doing it in the lab, means we are using CRO. I think you used the CRO. We are going to connect the CRO and get the waveform. You can easily read it. So you just write down the same value from the calculated value. Observed time value will be same as calculated value. So just note down. For this experiment, you have to cut the paste only the circuit diagram. From you have to write the pre-lab questions. After that, sorry, you have to write the pre-lab questions, and then you just fill this tabulation, and then you just simply place the circuit diagram. This is my concern, but you just clarify with your Gitanjali ma'am. She will tell you what are the additional things you are going to paste and all. You just ask to her because she is a main in charge for you. This is my concern. You just paste the circuit diagram which you drawn in the ECAD, and you write the tabulation. That's it, the main thing. The remaining, if suppose she need additional any hardware copy and all, you just ask her and paste in your manual. Okay. Is anyone having any doubt? Please answer any one of you if you are having any doubt or not. If you are having any doubt, once again I take you, or else we move to the Viva questions. Everyone clear?
We have to write any model calculations also.
Yeah, it's just a simple model calculation. No, you just say L by R. And then one more calculation is R into C, right? For RC circuit, time constant formula is R into C. For RL circuit, L by R. That's a two value, no? Just write down.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Other than that, you have any doubt in the experiment?
No, ma'am.
It's a simple experiment. I told you what is mean by transient, that is undefined transient. Can anyone answer me whether it is right or wrong? I mean it. I didn't mean it. Please answer my question. Define transient. What is mean by transient? If you are answering means, then only I am so happy. Some persons are understand what I did in the today's class. That's why I'm asking. Define transient. You tell it in the simple tone what you understand.
Ma'am, lasting for a short time.
What, no? So I can't able your voice clearly. Can you tell me again?
Something that lasts for a short time.
Yes, ma'am,
Oh.
that was.
It's not
Like
like
in
uh,
inductors and capacitors.
when it will happen. You said some of
Sudden
the
cause by a sudden change of means change of state of like any sudden change of state.
yeah, very
Like,
good.
ma'am, when I press the on key, ma'am, suddenly the current start increasing, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Thank you for your response. I'm so happy. Once you close or open the switch, that will cause a sudden change in the L or C, which is in the circuit. Okay, that is a transient. Next, time constant for a RL circuit. I told you, no. What is the time constant for RL circuit?
R into C.
L by R.
L by R. Very good. Which means it's L. Yeah.
Inductance upon resistance.
Inductance upon resistance, that is from the formula, but in the basic terms, inductance taken time to charge the inductance up to the maximum value, that is a time constant. It take time to charge the maximum value, that is a time constant. The same is for RC circuit also. Time constant for RC is nothing but capacitor taken time. It's required some time to charge the capacitor, that is a time constant for RC circuit. Then the last question is, how will you design the value of L and C in the transient circuit? Which means, while designing the L and C in the transient circuit, we are going to analyze the transient response, which we did in the lab, right? What are the things happen in the L and C? According to that, you are going to design the R and L value in the basic circuits. That is an answer for this question, and this is a pre-lab question. I help you to answer this question, but you have to write the answer for post-lab question. Okay, these are the post-lab question. You have to find the answer and write it, and after once she is asking to submit the manual, at the time you have to submit this post-lab questions also. Okay, any of the experiments have you submitted to the ma'am or Google Classroom? Because now today only I
No, ma'am.
entered into. No, but be prepared with your manual. At any time, she or me, I will ask you to submit the manual. At the time, once she is asking no, at the time you have to submit the experiments. 3 experiments she did, right? What are the experiments she completed?
Yes, ma'am. The first 3.
First 3. Okay. Be prepared with your manual, because other class persons are submitting parallelly. I asked ma'am to, when is the last time date to submit those experiments. Please prepare with your manual. In that manual, you should write post lab, pre lab questions with answer, and model calculation should be there for every experiment, and also you have to paste the circuit diagram of this thing. You have to take a print screen, and you have to cut and crop the circuit and paste it in your manual. Okay, shall I take attendance?
Ma'am, the submission date would be after the CTs.
I can't some distraction.
Yes, ma'am, you can take attendance.
Yes, ma'am, you can take it.
Ma'am, he is asking that like the submission date would be before the CTs or after the CTs. CT1.
That and all will be decided by the Geetanjali ma'am. I didn't discuss with her. I think when is your CT?
From 5th, this Wednesday.
From 7th.
Seventh.
Okay. Ma'am didn't tell about the submission of manual.
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Anyway, but after completing your CT, I think it will be submitted by you, or else you can ask the Geetanjali ma'am when is the last date. Okay, when she is coming to the next class, she will tell you. Okay, shall I take the attendance?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute. I'm not having.
Ma'am, it starts from 51.
51. Do you know the order sequence? Because I'm not having the numbers.
Ma'am,
and all.
continuously from
51 to 120 continuously.
Please, anyone of you answer me? From 51 to
120
continuously.
okay.
continuously, and then after
Other
that,
being in silent mode. Please mute your- Okay. 51,
Present.
52,
Present, ma'am.
53, 53,
Present, ma'am.
54, 54, 54 is absent, right?
Present, ma'am. 54 present.
55,
Present, ma'am.
56.
Ma'am, he
54
left
present.
SRF.
Okay, I noted. 56,
He left SRF.
57,